Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, your ultimate source for the world's most advanced vehicles. Today, we're about to take you on an exclusive journey inside one of the most futuristic and luxurious creations ever made on wheels. This is not just any RV, it's the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. A masterpiece of design, technology, and pure automotive opulence that redefines what it means to travel in style. If you think motorhomes are just boxes on wheels, the 2026 Brabus will blow your mind. Let's start with the exterior. The design language screams futuristic elegance. A smooth, aerodynamic body wrapped in a glossy pearl white finish with deep black and golden accents. The massive panoramic windows are not only stunning to look at, but they're also smart tinted for privacy and temperature control. The sharp LED light strips run around the edges like a glowing halo, and the Brabus name shines proudly on the front and rear fascia in bold illuminated letters. The body isn't just for looks, it's sculpted to glide through the wind with yacht-like finesse, and sits on massive chrome-finished wheels that add to its dominant road presence. Every inch of the exterior speaks of precision engineering and attention to detail. From the hidden side steps to the motorized doors, nothing here is ordinary. Step inside, and you're not in a motorhome anymore, you're in a mobile luxury suite. The interior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is a masterclass in design and technology. Think private jet meets five-star hotel, all housed inside a moving work of art. The living area greets you with an L-shaped leather sofa, wrapped in ultra-soft diamond-stitched leather with ambient golden LED lights underneath. It faces a sleek 4K smart TV, mounted on a marble finish wall unit with gold trim. Surround sound fills the space, and smart climate control keeps the temperature just right, no matter where you are. The dining area features a glossy marble top table surrounded by plush seating, perfect for meals, remote work, or just sipping espresso as the world rolls by. Just a few steps away, the kitchen is a fully loaded futuristic command center. You get a black marble countertop, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, built-in microwave and oven, and high-gloss cabinetry that opens and closes with a touch. Even the sink has a chrome touchless faucet and digital temperature control. This isn't just a motorhome kitchen, this is a luxury apartment kitchen on the move. Now let's talk about the bedroom. This is where the 2026 Brabus truly flexes its luxury muscle. A queen-size memory foam bed with silk sheets, backlit headboard, and panoramic side and rear windows for that sunrise view you'll never forget. The ceiling glows with soft ambient light, and you'll find hidden storage compartments all around, including inside the bed frame. There's even a wall-mounted 4K display at the foot of the bed, synced with the rest of the home's smart system. And then comes the bathroom, the most elegant, futuristic bathroom we've ever seen in a vehicle. A glass walk-in rain shower with golden LED strips, a floating vanity with a marble sink, a smart toilet with automatic lid, bidet functions, and touch control mirror with built-in lighting. Every surface shines. Every line flows. And yes, it smells like luxury too, thanks to the built-in scent diffuser system that keeps everything fresh and premium. What powers all this? A state-of-the-art hybrid engine system designed for long-range touring with minimal environmental impact. Paired with a solar-integrated roof and an advanced battery management system, the 2026 Brabus isn't just about comfort, it's smart, efficient, and future-ready. The suspension is fully adaptive, giving you a glass-smooth ride whether you're on the highway or parked in the wild. With satellite internet, GPS tracking, and full automation for lights, security, climate, and entertainment, this is truly a smart home on wheels. So what does all this mean? The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is not just transportation, it's transformation. It's a symbol of where luxury, design, and technology are headed. It's not just for camping. It's for commanding your space, anywhere on Earth, with absolute comfort and unmatched style. And while most motorhomes are built around compromise, the Brabus is built around experience. If you dream of freedom, without letting go of comfort, this is it. The future of luxury mobility has arrived, and it's wearing a Brabus badge. Thanks for watching Auto Dynamic. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we've got more insane machines coming your way very soon. Stay dynamic, stay driven. See you in the next video.